People in India worship God every day as part of their culture. Almost every village, town, city in India has at least one temple. We usually find Hanuman, Ram, Shiv and Ganesh temple in most of the places. Along with these, female deities are also worshipped separately, which often called Ammavaru or Grama Devata. These female deities are specified to protect villages, and each village has its own deity. All these deities are avatars of Jagannatha, who is considered as Mother of the world. There are 101 village deities, and all these are considered as sisters and has only brother called Pothuraju. Though the way of worshipping is different in different places, people believe that their deity will protect them in all possible ways. In this video, I will show you the way of worshipping to a deity called Marlapolamma, belongs to Golagandi village, which is in Srikakulam district of Andhra Pradesh. This village is situated right beside seashore, which is 200 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam. When a person's wish is fulfilled, that family will celebrate festival dedicating to deity. This time my uncle's turn. His wish is fulfilled and he decided to celebrate festival. So I went to my grandmother's home with great excitement. Though it was a family celebration, whole village joined us to help. Festival vibes started a day before itself. We started making neem festoons as it helps in keeping the atmosphere clean. These neem festoons are not only tied at celebrated house but whole village. I completed the task with help of kids. As it was getting dark, I went door to door to invite other people of village to join the festival and also for lunch. At the same time, pre-cooking process also started under inspection of my uncle and his wife. Meanwhile, my family members involved in preparing all the things that is used for puja. On the day of festival, we woke up early in the morning and prayed to God and ancestors so that the festival is celebrated without any obstructions. At first, we had to bring the idol of deity to home for puja. So I, along with my few family members, went to bring idol, which is 25 kilometers away from home. This idol weighs nearly 25 kg, which is made of puffed rice and caramel. This idol is made in shape of deity. We carefully put the idol in the van and started from there. By the time I went to bring the idol, the work needed for puja has started in our house. They made prasadam that includes pongadalu, palakayalu, panakam and 7 different sweets. Pongadalu and palakayalu are made with rice flour and jaggery, whereas panakam is made with honey, milk, jaggery, puffed rice and some fruits in it. Meanwhile, a group of people called Mannarlu, who are dedicated to serve deity whole year, arrived at my home and set everything for puja according to custom. They made 12 gatalu representing 12 sisters of deity. These were made with clay pots, flowers and a banana flower top on it. We believe that deity came to our village on a ship, so they made a ship with the spathe of coconut flower representing that deity came on a ship. Meanwhile, we arrived village with idol of deity. The priest decorated idol with haldi, kumkum and flower garland. My uncle and his wife grandly welcomed deity into their home. As the path should be clean, women put their sari under the feet of the person who is carrying idol. The person who is holding deity is considered as deity itself. After a grand welcome, priest started puja. Now the manners try to interact with deity behalf of my family.
బిడ్డలమ్ము నా అమ్మ ఏమి తెలియని పసి పాపలమ్మ నా అమ్మనికి నమ్ముకున్నారే నా కన్న తల్లి నీకు నమ్ముకున్నారు నా అమ్మనికి వారం వారం పూజ పునస్కారాలు చేసుకుంటున్నారమ్మా నా అమ్మనికి వారం రోజు చేసినట్టు.
Meanwhile, the spirit of deity entered into my sister's body to communicate with us. Now it's time to worship one of deity's sister called Garalamma. It is a ritual that Garalamma should be treated first before procession. After that, serving of lunch started to whole village. After 2 hours, preparation of procession has started. All 12 Ghatalu along with deity moved out from home for procession. As per custom, after carrying the idol on the head for the procession, it is carried up to temple without lowering it. At first, the couple who are celebrating should carry it, and then anyone can carry. The person who is holding a stick-like thing is considered as Potraju, who clears the way at the time of procession. As he receives more heat because of Potraju's spirit, he was coated with red clay water. Now Manners one by one comes out from home. Water mixed with haldi is poured on them as they feel heat because of spirit. All of them play in front of deity for a while and they move to procession. Now it's time for Kali Mata, one of powerful sisters of deity. All of them play in front of deity for a while and they move to procession. As the deity is passing every house of the village, few people started feeling spirit in their body also. Now it's my mom's turn to carry the deity and she also felt spirit in her. I was also given to hold it, but I could not hold it for 2 minutes. I don't know how the others were carrying it, but that was very heavy. After that, I was given the task of lighting the crackers. Yeah, I polluted a bit. Now they had to take the deity to the temple, which is 3 kilometers away from home. Trust me, a single person had carried the idol 2 kilometers without bringing it down. And the path covered with sharp stones. After the 2 kilometers, we reached another village where the temple is located. So the procession continued in that village also. After that, the deity reached main temple and puja started.
నాయమ్మ నీరేని బాలమమ్మ నాయమ్మ వేడుకుంటున్నారమ్మా నాయమ్మ నీకు మొక్కులు తీర్చుకున్నారు నాయమ్మ నాయమ్మ వాళ్ళ పసి పాపల మీద నాయమ్మ నీ పసి పాపల మీద నీ సగం చూపు ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నారు నాయమ్మ నీ మొక్కులు తీర్చుకున్నారమ్మో నాయమ్మ పువ్వులు నాయమ్మ పుష్పాలతోనే.
After the puja, we all went back to home with lots of happiness in heart and tiredness in body.
మీ కుటుంబాలు బాగుంటే మీ పిల్లలకి మంచి ఉద్యోగాలన్నీ వస్తే మళ్ళీ 10 సంవత్సరాలు చేస్తానని మొక్కండి. చాలా సంవత్సరాలకి చేశారు.
చాలా సంవత్సరాలు,
ఆ.
25 సంవత్సరాలు
చేపల కొల్లగంటలోన మన అమ్మవారి తాలూకు